Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to add existing project in your NetBeans. So click on file and then open project and downloads where your project is located, where you have it stored. Okay, here is my project and click on the open project. Here it is. Click on open project. Just wait, this directory will be low. Just wait now. Okay, here it is. And then again, here is my JSP file. This is a web application project. Just wait until unless this is scanning. Okay, so project has been loaded. Now we will double click on the main page, which is the login.jsp. Now right click on this and click on the run the file. Just wait, it will ask for the server. Select the server and the right click on the project. Go to the properties, and then the properties you will see it on the run. Click on run. Select the server from here, Apache, and then click on OK. Here we go. Now we will right click on this and run the file. Just wait. Okay, allow it. And allow again. Allow access. Yeah, it will ask to access. Just wait. Now here the same password and the username that I keep my server means root, and my password was 9787. I will show you where I have did this one. Here is our JSP. That's over the first page. Okay, there we go. Thanks for watching my video.